Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is very unusual video because this may or may not go wrong and I can regret this, but I'm not going to because I've done this and it has turned out really well. I have trimmed my own hairs and gave a little bit of volume, and I just gave a little bit of layered cut to my hairs. See, as you guys can see कि यहाँ से मेरे बाल बिल्कुल straight थे, बिल्कुल ही straight थे. So I have given a little bit of, drama to my hairs. And if you want to know the easiest steps to cut your own hairs at home, then without any further ado, let's just quickly jump into the video. So I'm going to cut my hairs, and this is the length of my hairs, and let me show you from the back as well. So yeah guys, this is the length of my hairs. My hairs are till here, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna cut it into layers. For that we'll be needing a pair of scissors, brush, and of course an elastic band. These are the three things only that we are gonna use. So the first step will be detangling your hair. So I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna start from the length and taking the brush up to the roots. This way आपके hairs कम टूटते हैं. You should always brush your hairs like this. Always start from the length and then go on to the roots. So I'm gonna detangle my hairs. Now that my all hairs are detangled, I'm going to gather all my hairs on my crown section and I'm going to make a pony. So your pony should look something like this. I know I'm looking quite funny, but this is a step that you can't miss. So I have gathered all my hairs in front. Now I'm going to use my fingers as a guide, and I'm going to start cutting my hairs. This step you can also use an elastic or a rubber band to secure your hairs from here so you can cut easily, but I'm pretty used to of doing it, so I'm not using any rubber band or anything. I'm just using my fingers. I have opened my hairs, and as you guys can see, I have a little bit of volume from here. Now I'm again going to tie up my hairs into a ponytail, but this time I'm going to make a pony over here because I want layers from the back. जितना करीब बांधेंगे उतना करीब के layers आएंगे. So I'm gonna tie my hairs up here on the crown section ताकि मेरे पीछे से ज़्यादा layers आएं. I have now made the highest ponytail. I'm going to take all my hairs in front again, and I will start cutting the hairs. This is how the hairs are looking till now. Now I'm going to release my elastic. This is how my hairs are looking from the front, and let me show you from the back. Now for the front hair layering part, I'm going to take a section of hairs from here. I'm going to take a section of hairs like this. इस तरह से हमारी लेंथ छोटी नहीं होगी, but we will also get the volume that we want in our hairs. This is how the hair should look. यहाँ से partition करने के बाद, let me show you from the back as well. This is how my hairs are looking from the back. वो थी हमारी लेंथ, और अब हम यहाँ से दोबारा से लेयर्स कट करेंगे. हमने बहुत छोटे छोटे सेक्शंस में ही कट करना है, और मैं फिंगर को एज अ गाइड यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Let's just remove the band and see. देखिए स्लोली मेरे बालों में वॉल्यूम आता जा रहा है. अभी तो मैंने ब्लो ड्राई नहीं करे हैं. जब मैं ब्लो ड्राई करूँगी तब ये और ज़्यादा वॉल्यूमिनस लगेंगे. देख सकते हैं कि कितना ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम आ गया है पहले से. So this is how my hairs are looking till now. Now I'm gonna go and style my hairs a little bit, and I'll show you the final results. So this is how the haircut has turned out. I really liked it because I want to give a little bit of shape to my hairs and don't want to shorten the length of my hairs. So yes, I have a little bit of shape, as well as I have trimmed my hairs, as you guys can see. Now this is looking really nice and healthy, so I really liked it. Let me know what do you guys think about my haircut, and let me show you from the back as well. Alright guys, so this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have learned something from this video, and if you guys did, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will catch you guys in my brand new one. Till then, bye.